So here in Ohio, we have a lot of deciduous trees, and a lot of people know deciduous trees by the fact that they lose their leaves in the fall. And you can see behind me there are some of my sugar maples that I like to tap for syrup. I actually tap the sap that comes out, and we cook it down and we make it into syrup, and it's amazing. But these guys lose their leaves because basically all the moisture that's in that tree would be lost through the leaves if it was left on all winter. So our trees are naturally designed to lose their leaves and preserve the moisture that's in them. Well, these beautiful conifers are these evergreen trees, and they're basically known for keeping their green color all winter. And the ways that that is very interesting to most of us is that they stay green, and we call them evergreens because supposedly they don't lose their needles. But that's not entirely true. Evergreens are actually able to lose their needles, and they do. You see them all over the ground. I don't know if you can even see here on the ground. We've got needles all over. They lose their needles because they have to replenish as well, and they're constantly replacing them. They just don't lose them all at one time like these deciduous trees do. And one of the wonderful things about these evergreens is that they are able to withstand a lot of heaviness. So they have a lot of flexibility, which is very interesting to think about. All this snow, we might not even realize how heavy that snow is, and all those needles are holding on to that snow, and that's a lot of weight on this branch. But because of pine and its ability to be very flexible and lightweight, it gives it a little bit of a chance to hang on to that snow and keep it from falling apart and breaking. But these are some interesting facts that we learn in our botany class, and I certainly hope you'll come and join. And we have all kinds of fun hands-on projects that we do. It should be a really good time for the kiddos to learn all about these plants and understand their world around them a whole lot better.